Welcome back to the kitchen. I am Busy Dad. Today, Chinese style noodles with meat sauce, also known as Jiang Mian. Alright, first step, spaghetti goes in the pot. This really is Western style spaghetti. If you get Chinese noodles, instead of round profile, it's probably going to be more like a square. I like those too, but I find that Western style spaghetti cooks a little more consistently. I don't have to guess exactly how long it's going to take. And for me, it's a lot easier to get. So this is what we're going with. Pork, carrots, green onion. Everything we need. Alright, the next step, once we get the spaghetti in the pot, we're going to take all of these veg, chop them up into little pieces. Bam! There we go. All chopped up. I've got all these things about the same size, and the reason is when we stir fry this pork, we're going to try to get approximately the same size of all these ingredients, including the pork. Alright, so next step, as this spaghetti boils over there, is to get this into a frying pan with a little bit of oil and just fry it up, turn it periodically, chop it up with your spatula until you get it down to really little bits. So here's the pork, frying away very slowly. We want to give the fat in here a little bit of a chance to kind of render out. You might say, hey, Busy Dad, this isn't that much pork. And that's right, because this is going to be a meat sauce. This isn't necessarily main dish. This is going to be on top of the noodles. So that's fine. In fact, speaking of the sauce, we need to make that. A few things in the sauce. We need a rice wine, soy sauce, and a bean paste. If your kitchen's like mine and you don't normally have Chinese bean paste, either sweet or fermented, that's okay. This is miso and it is a bean paste, so in this context, this is more or less the same thing. Feel free to tell me why I am right or wrong about that in the comments. By the way, if you're new to this channel, hope you like this. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. Subscribe, hit the notification bell. Make sure you get another video like this as soon as it comes out. Alright, back to this meat over here. There we go. We'll break that up in a second and stir it around and let that finish cooking. So this pork looks like it's almost done. It's still a little bit red. And normally I would say finish cooking the pork, take it out, then cook the vegetables, but because one of our vegetables is carrot, and that takes quite a long time to cook, I'm actually going to add these now. We're going to give these a little bit extra cooking time. The orange pepper, on the other hand, doesn't take very long at all, so that will go in at the very end, right before the sauce. I should mention you could definitely cook this using garlic, ginger in there for extra punch, but if you don't like that, don't want that, this is going to taste awesome too. Okay, here we are. So this is almost done. Looks pretty good, huh? So into this orange pepper. And those sauces I was talking about, all mixed together in a little cup. Put these in here. We'll just toss this up, turn off the heat, cover this up, and kind of let this just finish cooking for one more minute. The noodles are ready, so we'll just go ahead and put everything here in a bowl. Okay, here we go. There's our fried sauce. Oh, it smells good. And a little bit of garnish, green onion at the top. You could put cilantro on here, and you could also put some of my chili sauce. By the way, if you're wondering how to make this chili sauce, the link is up there below because I made this too. Okay, let's go ahead and give this a try. I totally messed it up. Oh, it's so good. I didn't get a big piece of meat though. Ah, it's so tasty. We've got the fatty pork, got a little bit of sweetness from the sauce, salty, of course, from the soy sauce. It's just good all around. Alright, I hope you liked this. If you did, subscribe. That way you'll get another one of these videos when they pop up. Let me know in the comments what you think about this. Let me know what you want to see. And then join me next time when Busy Dad is cooking.